In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Stripe with Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to accept online payments, collect deposits, or get paid automatically when clients book, this setup is essential. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Payment Settings section from the left side menu. This is where all payment processors are managed. Now look for the Stripe option and click Connect. You will be redirected to Stripe's login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials or create a new account if you don't already have one. After logging in, authorize Acuity Scheduling to access your Stripe account. This permission allows Acuity to securely process payments on your behalf. Next, return to Acuity and configure your payment rules. You can choose whether to collect full payment at booking, require a deposit, or only accept payments for specific services. Now go to your Appointment Type section and make sure your services are set to require payment if needed. This ensures clients are charged during booking. You can also enable coupons, packages, or subscriptions depending on your business setup. Once everything is configured, click Save Settings to activate Stripe integration. Now test your booking page by going through a sample appointment and checking if the payment screen appears correctly. If everything is set up properly, your clients will now be able to pay directly through Stripe when booking appointments. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with Acuity Scheduling and enabled secure online payments for your business. And that's how you integrate Stripe with Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.